Ready to make salsa?
I'm ready.
Okay. We are going to make our salsa because we are going to have burritos tonight. Okay, I think we're ready. So let's make, we're going to make middle of the road. Okay, Hazel, have you ever made it before?
No.
Okay, can of diced tomatoes. It's really quick and easy to make, and you will see how easy it is. But you just use regular can of diced tomatoes. Haven, you want to do this part? 2 tablespoons of our mix. And we just put it in this little glass container. 1, 2. Awesome. Okay, what next, Dad?
Vinegar.
All right.
We're going to get a tablespoon of vinegar and get 1 tablespoon there.
All right. Oh, we need cilantro.
Cilantro. Now you don't have to put cilantro in this, but cilantro gives it a really great fresh flavor. So you can just do this to taste. Just use the leaves. Pinch off some as much as you want.
I did it. Okay, put the lid on. That's it. It only takes a minute to make. Even little kids can make it. You got it on?
For me.
You just did.
And I'm going to get a jar.
All right, now stick it on. And you don't have to blend it very much.
Get it in those.
Depends on how much you want it blended. If you want it restaurant style or chunky. Okay, go for it, girl. It's hard. And you got to turn it a little bit.
Here. Come on,
I'll do it. Let go.
Do you need a buff guy to do this?
All right, let Dad. It's not that hard.
Let go.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. Oh, good job,
Let's
Zoe.
look in here. Open that up for me, Hazel, and we'll pour it in there. Now this is great if you let it chill, or it can stay at room temperature for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. And the longer it sits,
eat it right away. I like to eat it as soon as I make it because I can't wait.
Yeah.
But it is good to let it kind of, the dry seasonings rehydrate like that.
Come shake it.
And that is
Shake it,
it.
Mom.
That is as simple and
Shake,
easy as it
yeah.
is. Shake. Well, shake. Are you ready to have some burritos?
Yeah.
Yes.
Put
I'm
it right there. You guys dig in there.
This is
There
why
you go,
it's
Mom.
called Dad's Disappearing Salsa, because it always disappears in our house. That's how it got its name.
Good stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a picture of weird face.
Yeah.
But, I mean, if you look at it, it's literally just long.
Okay.
What?
It kind of does look like burritos.
It's just a little.
Yeah, you get salsa.
Yep.
Oh man, yeah.
Oh, please do not act. Ben, can you finish your